Hi, how to get Canada Study Permit easily 2024 for international students. Welcome to the world of possibilities. Canada is one of the most sought after destinations for students from all over the world. With top-notch university, a diverse culture and excellent quality of life, Canada offers a unique experience that few other countries can match. Students can get Canada study permit to pursue their education from a top country of the world. Also read about how to get easily permanent residence PR in Canada 2024. Link is available in video description. If you are considering pursuing your education in Canada, you are in luck. Canada offers a variety of study options ranging from short-term courses to full-time degree program. However, before you can start your academic journey in Canada, you will need to obtain a study visa. In this blog post, we will guide you through the process of obtaining a Canada student visa step by step. From understanding the requirement to filling out the application. We will cover all the essential information you need to know to ensure a smooth and successful visa application process. You can immigrate to Canada for better lifestyle. What is a study permit? A study permit is an official document issued by the Government of Canada that allows foreign nationals to study at a designated learning institution DLI in Canada. In other words, a study permit is a document that grants permission to international students to pursue their academic program in Canada. It is important to note that a study permit is not a visa. In most cases, you will also need a visitor visa or an electronic travel authorization ETA to enter Canada. However, if you are from a visa exempt country, you will only need an ETA. It is essential to apply for a study permit before coming to Canada, as you will not be able to study without it. Your study permit will indicate the length of time you are authorized to study in Canada and may include certain conditions, such as the type of work you are allowed to do while studying. What are the eligibility requirements for study permit Canada? Acceptance letter. You must have an acceptance letter from a designated learning institution DLI in Canada. Educational credential. You may need to provide educational credential such as transcripts or diploma to prove that you meet the admission requirement of your program. Financial support. You must demonstrate that you have enough money to cover your tuition fee, living expense, and return transportation. English French language proficiency. You may need to demonstrate your proficiency in English or French depending on the language of institution of your program. Clear criminal record. You must provide a police certificate to show that you have no criminal record. Good health. You must undergo a medical examination if the Canadian government requires it. Intend to leave Canada. You must prove that you intend to leave Canada at the end of your studies. Biometrics. You must provide your biometric information including fingerprints and a photograph. It is important to note that meeting these eligibility requirements does not guarantee that you will receive a study permit. The final decision rests with the Canadian government and they may refuse your application for a variety of reasons. Therefore, it is essential to carefully review the application requirements and ensure that you provide all the necessary documents and information to increase your chance of success. What are the documents required for Canada study permit? A valid passport, two recent passport photos, acceptance letter, proof of financial support, letter of explanation why you want to study in Canada. medical certificate, police certificate. Step by step application process for Canada study permit. Here are the steps to apply student permit in Canada for students from all over the world. The permit acceptance process may take up to 90 days. Complete the application. Fill out the online application form on the Government of Canada website. You will be required to answer questions about your personal information, education, finance, and travel history. Pay the application fee. The application fee for a study permit is 150 Canadian dollar and you must pay this fee online using a credit card. Submit the application. After completing the application and paying the fee, submit your application online. You will receive a confirmation email with a tracking number to track the status of your application. Biometric. You will be required to provide your biometric information including fingerprints and a photograph. You can do this at a visa application center VAC in your home country or in certain countries while biometric collection is available. Wait for a decision. After submitting your application, you will need to wait for a decision from the Canadian government. The processing time can vary depending on various factors, such as the volume of application and your individual circumstances. Receive your study permit. If your application is approved, you will receive a letter of introduction that you will need to show to the immigration officer when you arrive in Canada. The officer will issue your study permit upon your arrival. What is student direct stream? If you are a resident of any of the following country, then you can apply using student direct stream to get your permit faster within 20 days instead of 90. Antigua and Barbuda, Brazil, China, Colombia, Costa Rica, India, Morocco, Pakistan, the Philippines, Senegal, Saint Vincent and the Grenadines, Trinidad and Tobago, Vietnam. What are the common reasons of permanent rejection? Incomplete or inaccurate application, insufficient financial support, health or criminal issues, inability to prove intent to leave Canada, English or French language proficiency, previous immigration history, security concerns. Thanks.